Lighters are containers that use a fuel to produce a flame. When the lighter is depressed, the butane is released and vaporized. The vaporized butane is then ignited by a spark. In this video we will see about how BIC and Zippo lighter works. The parts of a BIC lighter are spark wheel, steel hood, fork, flint, fork spring, jet valve, spring for flint, valve that regulates fuel flow, the body of the lighter Delrin, acetal homopolymer which is resistant to ruptures and high temperatures, and the fuel is isobutane gas, a pure gas so pressure remains always stable. Butane in a lighter is pressurized and stored, which causes it to exist as a liquid. When depressurized, the liquid will immediately vaporize to form gaseous butane. The flint wheel, when turned down with the thumb, causes the wheel to turn rapidly and rubs against the flint to produce a spark. Simultaneously, as the thumb hits the button below, which is connected to a tube holding the flammable fluid or liquid gas, a valve connected at the end of this tube is opened, from which the flammable fluid or liquid gas is released. This flammable fluid gets vaporized as soon as it exits the tube. The spark is produced just above the valve, which comes in contact with the vapor gas and produces the flame. Same as a Zippo lighter is a type of windproof lighter that operates on the principle of a simple metal friction wheel. Here's how a Zippo lighter typically works. The body is made of brass and then painted or coated in classic chrome. Inside the Zippo lighter, there is cotton ball soaked in the fuel, and a wick that absorbs the lighter fluid from the reservoir, and delivers it to the top of the lighter where it can be ignited. A small piece of flint is held in place by a spring inside the lighter. When you open the lid of the Zippo, the flint wheel is exposed. The flint wheel is a rough, serrated wheel that rotates when you spin the wheel. It scrapes against the flint piece, creating sparks that ignite the lighter fluid-soaked wick, creating a flame. Zippo lighters have a windproof design, which means that the flame is less likely to be extinguished by wind or other air movement. This is achieved through a design that encloses the flame in a metal casing with small holes in the top to allow air to enter and fuel the flame.